This ice cream is made with 3 ingredients: strawberries, banana, and coconut. It is super easy to make and it is delicious. You will never know there's banana in there, guys. And what a treat. So healthy, so good for hot days. I'm gonna use a blender for this, but you can use a food processor. I'm gonna use frozen strawberries and I'm using 250 grams, so half of this bag. I froze a very sweet banana, which I'm gonna add to this. I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla and I'm going to just blend this a little bit. I'm gonna add 200 milliliters of coconut cream. Now we're gonna put it in a bowl and put it in the freezer for a couple hours. This is a great treat. Pure strawberry flavor. It is absolutely delicious. Thank you for watching, guys. I'm gonna see you soon.